Hello, today I'm gonna make a Dalgona coffee, which is also known as the Indian style espresso coffee. So come with me and I'll show you the ingredients. So first thing first, what you do is get some hot water. I use the kettle to make hot water. A pack of instant coffee. I use these Taster Choice instant coffee, but you can use any instant coffee that you have. But like some coffee, 1 pack of coffee or 1 teaspoon coffee with some sugar, as much as you like. And then just whip it. Whip it until you get this frothy mixture. This is still not frothy, so keep stirring it. If you have a whisk, that's even better. And on the other side, boil some milk. Milk is almost boiling. So boil the milk, which we will add on top of our made coffee. So now you see the consistency is looking like this, the frothy mixture. It should actually turn into a creamy mixture, so we're going to continue the frothing or whipping process. Okay, as you see, the mixture has got more froth here, and I see more whipping consistency. If I had a blender, I could do it with a blender, but I don't have that, so I'm using the manual method of using a spoon or a fork, whatever you have. So once this is done, we're just going to top it with milk, and then our Dalgona coffee will be ready. Okay, so now the consistency is much better. So the more you stir, the better it's going to be. And once you're done, just add milk. Here you go. The coffee is ready. Look at the frothiness, the creaminess of the rich Dalgona coffee. Thank you. So the Dalgona coffee is done. Let's do a taste test. Look how creamy it is. Yummy. If you can't go to barista or have an espresso, this is a way to make homemade espresso style Dalgona coffee. Thank you.